So as you can see, we've got several boxes of wood opened, and if you'll look, we open them up and we mix up the coloration, and we also separate the lengths. So these are the really long boards, and then we have a slightly shorter stack and a shorter stack yet. And we do this so that we can use the most long boards and get the biggest bang from them, so that you have a great view when you walk in. You've got a lot of long boards in your family room and your dining room and all the spaces that are important. And then we use the shorter boards right against the wall or in the closets, where we only need a little piece left, so we don't want to waste a big long board by cutting a piece off of it. So that's one of the things that we do. And the other thing is the coloration. Of course, I said that we mix up the boxes. This is important because you don't want to see, and I've seen it from other installers, you don't want to see a lot of all the same color boards grouped together. If you've got a lot of dark and a lot of light and they're not interspersed, it doesn't give a good flow to your space. So you want to make sure that your flooring installer is opening multiple boxes, mixing them up, and then sorting them by size so that you can use the least amount of wood for your project and get the best installation possible. Another thing that's really important is that your flooring installer cut your flooring outside. I know that this is a silly thing to say, but I have walked in job sites where I've seen the cut station set up inside. Even if it's raining, we've got to figure out a way to make the cuts outside to protect the home from all of the dust that is generated by cutting flooring.